Maconomists, listen up. There's an AI revolution going on, and people are cashing in like never before. Right now, folks are making huge racks with AI automation agencies. I'm talking about so many people just raking it in. But wait, this isn't your average AAA approach that all these other YouTubers are talking about. Oh no, we're adding an extra twist here, a secret sauce that's going to skyrocket your success. The AAA model. So what's this AAA model all about? Well, it's all about starting an AI automation agency that integrates AI technology into businesses. This can be done with no-code or low-code tools, making it accessible to people without a development background. It's a model that's been championed by the likes of Liam Popley and his company, Morningside AI. But here's the thing, we're not just following the crowd, we're taking this model and adding our own unique spin to it. We're making it even more beginner-friendly and even more profitable. The opportunity. Now let's get down to business. We're talking SMMA in 2017 kind of huge. People are already making a ton of money, and the best part, this is just the beginning. In fact, I started my own agency just last month, and guess what? I'm already pulling in $5,000 a month from retainers alone, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. But hold your horses, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about making a quick buck and then disappearing. No, this is about building long-term wealth, about creating something that lasts. It requires planning, persistence, and a whole lot of passion. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. This is a golden opportunity for a lot of you to get as rich as possible. So, are you ready to dive in? Are you ready to become a Maconomist and change your life forever? Then let's get started. All right, Maconomists, let's talk niches. Remember, the riches are in the niches. But what does that mean? Well, it's all about specialization. It's about finding a specific area where you can become the go-to expert. In the world of AI automation agencies, this means finding a specific industry, a specific type of business, or even a specific problem that you can solve with AI. The importance of niches. Why are niches so important? Well, when you specialize in a niche, you can provide more value to your clients. You can understand their needs better. You can tailor your solutions more precisely, and you can stand out from the competition. Plus, when you focus on a niche, you can become the go-to expert in that area. You can become the person that businesses in that niche turn to when they need AI solutions. Real-world examples. Let me give you an example. There's this guy, let's call him John. John started an AI agency focusing on e-commerce businesses. He knew the ins and outs of e-commerce, and he knew how AI could solve their problems. Today, John is the go-to guy for any e-commerce business looking to leverage AI. That's the power of niches. Examples of niches. So, what are some examples of niches in the AI automation agency world? Well, you could specialize in AI solutions for e-commerce businesses, for healthcare providers, for law firms, for real estate agencies. The list goes on and on. Or you could specialize in solving a specific problem, like improving customer service, streamlining operations, or boosting sales. Choosing your niche. How do you choose your niche? Well, it's all about finding the intersection between what you're good at, what you're interested in, and what businesses are willing to pay for. So take some time to think about your skills, your interests, and the needs of the market. And remember, the riches are in the niches. Interactive element. Now, I want to hear from you. What niche are you considering? Or if you've already chosen a niche, let us know in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together. Challenges and solutions. Of course, finding your niche isn't always a walk in the park. It can be challenging to identify the right niche, to understand its needs, and to tailor your solutions accordingly. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how to overcome these challenges and find your perfect niche. All right, Maconomists, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the current AAA models. Now, these models are all about developing AI tools using platforms like BotPress, Zapier, and the like. And while these tools are beginner-friendly to a certain extent, they still require a significant amount of time to master. And here's the kicker. Even after you've spent all that time learning and mastering these tools, there's no guarantee that the solutions or custom workflows you create will be as effective or useful as you'd want them to be. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. We call it the AI Launchpad strategy, or ALS for short. This strategy is all about finding existing software as a service SaaS tools and custom chatbot websites that already offer the solutions needed by your chosen niche. In other words, instead of building everything from scratch, you're leveraging existing tools that have already been proven to work. It's like standing on the shoulders of giants. Addressing viewer concerns. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this strategy really effective? Can I really build a successful AI agency without developing any AI tools myself? The answer is a resounding yes. The ALS strategy is not only effective, but it's also efficient, allowing you to provide valuable services without the steep learning curve. Demonstration of the AI Launchpad strategy. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you want to offer services to podcasts that want to repurpose their content. You could go to There's an AI for That, search for content repurposing, and you'll find a tool like getmuch.com. Getmuch.com, quote, is an AI tool that finds the most relevant bits of a YouTube video, which can be repurposed into LinkedIn posts and TikTok shorts. It even adds captions and a nice background automatically. Now imagine creating automated workflows combined with VAs to offer this as a service to other agencies. You're providing a valuable service without having to develop any AI tools yourself. That's the power of the AI Launchpad strategy. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech whiz or a coding genius to do this. If you can find your way around a smartphone, you can implement the ALS strategy. So, no more excuses, Maconomists. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your own AI agency using the ALS strategy? Join our Discord server, link in the description, and become part of our community of Maconomists who are already making waves in the AI automation agency world. Let's grow together. All right, Maconomists, you've got your AI Launchpad strategy in place. You've found your niche, and you're ready to roll. But there's one crucial piece of the puzzle left. Clients. How do you get them? Let's dive in. One effective strategy is to use appointment setters. These are professionals who specialize in setting up meetings with potential clients. They do the legwork of reaching out to prospects, pitching your services, and scheduling appointments for you. This can be a great way to get your foot in the door with potential clients without having to do all the initial outreach yourself. Another strategy is cold email outreach. This involves sending personalized emails to potential clients, introducing your services, and explaining how you can provide value. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cold email? Really? But trust me, when done right, cold email can be incredibly effective. The key is to make your emails personalized, professional, and focused on the value you can provide. And let's not forget about LinkedIn. With its vast network of professionals and businesses, LinkedIn can be a goldmine for client acquisition. And the best part? You can automate your LinkedIn outreach. We've got a whole video on how to use Walaxy for LinkedIn automation. Be sure to check it out if you haven't already. Now, whether you're reaching out via email or LinkedIn, your message is crucial. It should include 3 key elements: awareness, an offer, and a CTA. Start by making them aware of the pain point you're solving. Then offer them a free demo or an unbeatable offer they can't say no to. And finally, include a clear and concise call to action. This formula will help you craft compelling messages that get responses. So there you have it, Maconomists. 3 proven strategies for getting clients and the secret sauce for crafting compelling messages. And remember, it's not about who you know, it's about who knows you. So get out there and make some noise. Now, I want to hear from you. What strategies are you using to get clients? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to join our Discord server, link in the description, to connect with other Maconomists. Let's grow together. All right, Maconomists, let's dive deeper into crafting your message. Whether you're reaching out via email or LinkedIn, your message is crucial. It's your first impression, your pitch, and your invitation all rolled into one. So there you have it, Maconomists. The secret sauce for crafting compelling messages that get responses. And remember, the key is to make your message personalized, professional, and focused on the value you can provide. And a dash of humor never hurts. Recap. All right, Maconomists, let's do a quick recap. Today, we've discussed the AI Launchpad strategy, a unique approach to the AAA model that's beginner-friendly and effective. We've talked about the importance of finding a niche, the power of using existing SaaS tools, and the strategies for getting clients. Now it's your turn. Start implementing the AI Launchpad strategy. Find your niche, identify the SaaS tools that can solve their problems, and start reaching out to potential clients. Remember, the riches are in the niches, and there's a wealth of opportunity out there. And don't forget, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires planning, persistence, and a bit of elbow grease. But with the AI Launchpad strategy, you're well equipped to make the most of the AI revolution. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community of Maconomists. We've got a lot more content on the AAA model and the AI Launchpad strategy coming your way. And don't forget to join our Discord server, link in the description, to connect with other Maconomists. Let's grow together.